Hey everybody, thanks for checking out this video. If you like the content I'm putting out, please like, comment, and subscribe. And hope you like this video. Hey everybody, one of you commented that in this configuration, if I was wearing my plate carrier and my battle belt, war belt, range belt, whatever, I would potentially have trouble with the raid pouch interfering with getting to these magazines, and I can get it out, but there definitely is something to that. Like if this was like if I was in a really panicked fight or flight situation and my blood was up, you know, there is potential for hang-ups if I don't do it right or if I'm fumbling. Everything else, second mag, third mag, fourth mag, AR mag, all seem to work just fine. I don't know, like right now I have my belt set up for going to the range and doing like pistol drills and stuff. I think it is a good point that this is like, this one here is potentially going to have an issue with this. What am I going to do about it? I'm going to have to think and see. So one solution is when I put on the belt, if I just twist it this way a little bit, that would push everything to the left. I did say in an earlier video I did not like having my AR mag back on my butt cheek, but this is more just like proof of concept. Like I could fit all these on here with the Molly pouch or mandible straps from Haley Strategic, and it was able to let them get it all squinched up like this, nice squished up. If I'm not wearing the plate carrier and I'm just doing pistol drills, no issue, and I like having these ones up front, I could do some rifle stuff and do a reload from my pistol, or from my AR mag pouch back here. So that was a good point to bring up. Thank you for that. I'm going to leave it as is for now, and I want to do some drills, do some practicing to see if like training can overcome this, or if I should just set this up differently somehow. This is the setup so far. You saw the video. I have this. I attached the big freaking gun pouch back here, use it as a dump pouch. I'm not super thrilled with it being so far back. Also, I'm losing out on a lot of real estate right here because of the way this drop leg system works. So we'll see how that evolves. Someone else mentioned trying more of a stiff, you know, slight drop leg or like half drop or something like that holster, as opposed to having it way down on the thigh. I'll look into that in the future, but I think it's doable. There is something to be said about this being here. There's the update. Hope that helped.